This November, Misamis Occidental comes alive as we celebrate our provincial anniversary with pride, unity, and progress. November 3rd, witnessed the grand opening ceremony and the State of the Province address of Governor Henry Sevilla Oaminal at Bayfront Arena, plus the Ascenso Trade Fair opening at the Capitol Plaza, and the exciting start of the ASEAN Plus Individual Chess Championship in Osamis City. November 4th to 6th, the ASEAN Plus Chess Championship continues, bringing together brilliant minds from across international. And the thrill seekers, get ready. The Rainforest Challenge kicks off, showcasing grit, speed, and endurance in the heart of Misamis Occidental. November 8th, the streets of Orqueda burst with color at the Perangat Festival street dancing parade, leading to the grand showdown of creativity at Mopac grounds. Join us in celebrating the 96th provincial anniversary of Misamis Occidental, a time of unity, culture, and progress for every Misamisnon.